I want to show you how to record your face and your computer screen if you want to create a YouTube channel where you do demonstrations or tutorials. It's really easy. I'm going to be using Canva for this demonstration. So the first thing you want to do is type in Canva in your search bar. I'm using Google as my search engine. Click on Canva. You need to have a Canva account for this. You can either create one or just log into your account, okay, your Canva account. I'm going to use a YouTube video dimensions or doc for this tutorial since I'm going to be uploading this video on YouTube. It's already here, the YouTube dimensions. If you don't see it there, you can also type it in the search bar on Canva, okay? So we click on YouTube. Okay, here it goes. And we're going to click on upload, which is here on the left. Okay, click on uploads. And under upload files, you'll see record yourself. And this is what you want to click on. Click on record yourself. Okay, hello. Okay, so now as you can see, here's your bubble. Okay, and you're going to have a screen that looks just like this. There's nothing there yet. You have a couple of selections that you can make above your bubble. Okay, you have filters, which is you could choose any one of these filters to, for your face bubble. I'm not going to do it, but it's there if you want it. To bring those options up, you just click on your bubble. There is effects, skin smoothing. If you want that, again, I'm not going to do it. You click on your face if you want to bring up the selections again, and you have changed the shape. So you can either have this rectangle, which then you have more of your screen, in the shot, or you can go back to a bubble. You can also mirror your camera if you like one side better than the other, or you can turn off your camera. Okay. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to settings to select how you want to do your recording. The selections are camera. If you just want to record your face, then you're going to select camera. If you want to record your camera and your screen, your face and your screen, sorry, then you're going to select camera and screen. And if you only want to record your computer screen, then you're going to select screen. You also can choose which camera you use. Okay, and I'm using the default camera for my laptop, but you can also choose no camera. And if you choose no camera, your face disappears, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going back to the default. You can also choose which microphone you want to use, and I'm going to use the default microphone for my laptop, but there are a number of choices here, and of course you can connect your own microphone for this as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is select camera and screen if you want the bubble. You can go to the Chrome tabs, which is whatever you have opened up here. That's what's going to show up here. Okay, and select what you want to record. I'm going to select my YouTube channel just so you can see how this works and that it does in fact work. So this is my YouTube channel, Hope Up Connect. I have 15 subscribers. Thank you very much. So excited. Thank you guys. Okay, so here you are, recording my YouTube channel. All right. Now, so this is this would be how you record. Okay, you would click record. to start recording your screen. Okay. You can pause your recording. It's paused. If you don't like the recording and you want to get rid of it, you can click the trash can icon here and delete. When you're done, or if you're done with your recording, you can click done. You can click save and exit, or you can actually listen to your recording before you save and exit. You probably want to do that. Okay, you can replay your recording and choose whether or not you want to keep it. And then you click save and exit. Okay, and what you're going to see is that Canva will upload two different recordings, one with just your face, okay, and one with the recording that you made, okay. There you go. Keep in mind too, you can also move this bubble wherever you want to, okay, so it doesn't have to stay there. You can move it around, okay. You can also edit your recording. You can edit and trim your recording using the scissor icon up top here. Once you click that, you can, choose list. You're going to listen to it, of course, and then you can choose where you want to cut or where you want to trim. Okay. You can also, and just keep in mind, once if you do trim this video, the original video here will be the original length. Okay. You can also edit your video on the bottom here by moving your duration tab. Okay, you can click on these three buttons right here and say you want to split the page. If you want to split the page, here I'll show you. Say you want to split the page here at 7.2, you're going to click the three dots, click on split page, and as you can see, it split the page. So you can definitely edit your video even after you have done your screen recording. Okay. And that's it. And oh, by the way, if you are happy with your video and you want to upload it, you just click share. If you want to download it onto your computer to upload it on YouTube, you click share, click download, and it gives you MP4 video. That's the suggested download, and that's fine. It's worked perfectly for me. You click on download, and as you can see, it's downloading. Okay, and that's how you do it. It's a small learning curve, but really, guys, it's the easiest that I've found is using Canva to record your face and your screen. It's a great way if you're a content creator or if you're a teacher or if you just want to do a presentation. This could be a very good option for you. For people over 50, I hope, or anyone actually, anyone that watches this video, I hope you understand my demonstration, and I hope you're able to use it flawlessly. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Any suggestions, leave them in the comment section as well. Okay, thank you. I kind of need a little bit of hand holding when I do tech. So whenever I learn something new, I try to teach it or show it or share it the best way I can so that people can understand it. Right? All right. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much to my 15 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I really hope to earn your subscription. Thank you, guys. And to stop sharing, just click stop sharing.